Hello everyone, very warm Mr. Welcome, thanks for joining us. It's Simon at DM Keith Motor Group. I'm at their Suzuki branch at Ashton-under-Lyne this glorious morning. Just got my hands on this, one of my favourite cars I ever drove. This is a Swift SZL and it was registered on the 29th of December 23, so it's about 15 months old is this vehicle. It's immaculate, it's in Speedy blue. The car has travelled less than 2,500 miles, I think it's about 2450. It is utterly immaculate, every wheel, body panel, the lot. Self-charging mild hybrid, so completely free of plugging in or any of that, but just wonderful. Hellish MPG. I used to get typically about 56 to the gallon out of mine without any effort at all. Every wheel, as you can see. I just want to focus in a bit on this thing because this is rare stock and we're really lucky to have it. I enjoyed every single mile I drove of mine. I had many as demonstrator cars and they never ever once let me down. Beautiful thing. OL6 is the postcode for the Ashton branch. Now I will put a link in the description box at the end and you can click onto it and it'll take you through to the photographs, guys, and also have a look at other stock in the group. Seats in Swifts are amazing. You can spend days in these things and they won't give any backache, niggles, they don't sag. The fabrics are great quality, very durable. This car's immaculate. I'm telling you now, it's never had any smokers, pets or anything weird going on in here. Really lovely sort of little dimpling on the dashboard just to break it up a bit. Head unit, fantastic thing this. You can, if you wish to, guys, you can put an SD card in there for navigation. Wouldn't bother. Use your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, run your maps through it that way. Colour reverse camera. Full DAB on there as well. Heater controls, plenty of connectivity down beneath. And then we have got some nice bits. Now, adaptive cruise control is where the car can sense if a vehicle's in front of it, so it'll just hold back. I set my speed limit and adaptive cruise every motorway and dual carriageway journey. Automatic headlights, and the mileage is, 2425. Absolute stonker is this one. So, it'll still have warranty until, I suppose, technically the end of 2026. And then you could go another 4 years. On the end of that, year-on-year servicing with a Suzuki main dealer like us triggers you an extra year of warranty and roadside assistance, on and on. This car's cleaned up in every award it was ever entered into for reliability. Always just come out on top of these things. They're amazing, they're boringly reliable, but having the manufacturer, you know, put the money where the mouth is and giving you up to 7 years of warranty, I think that's testament to them. I really do. As I said, there'll be a link in the description box. You can select it, click onto it. You could move the car between our sites. You could request a test drive on there, value your vehicle, even work finance figures out, all done, one go. But if you need something quick, just stick it into the comments box. I will find it when I'm inside uploading. Have a fantastic day, guys. Whatever you're doing, enjoy it, and we'll get some more videos on for lunchtime. Take care. Thank you for your time as always. Drive safely and all the best.